Imagine transforming your life in just 12 days, starting with nothing but determination. Over the next 12 days, we're going to break down the walls of mediocrity, crush limiting beliefs, and unleash the entrepreneurial beast inside you. Get ready to unlock a world of opportunity you never thought possible. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. This is about putting in the work, day in and day out, and transforming your life one hustle at a time. Let's go. All right, day one, let's freaking go. We're starting with the foundation of it all, your mindset. You want to be a billionaire? You got to think like one. Forget those limiting beliefs holding you back. That voice whispering doubts in your ear, silence it. Today we rewrite the narrative. Listen up, your mindset is everything. It's the fuel that drives your actions, the foundation of your success. You need unwavering self-belief, an unshakable conviction that you are destined for greatness. Believe it, breathe it, live it. Challenges, obstacles, they're gonna come. That's a given. But billionaires, they don't crumble under pressure, they thrive on it. Embrace the struggle. View it as an opportunity for growth. Remember, diamonds are formed under pressure, and never, ever underestimate the power of learning. The world is your oyster, full of knowledge and insights waiting to be devoured. Visualization is key. Close your eyes and picture yourself as a billionaire. Feel the success, the abundance, the impact you're making. Now let's get after it. Day one is just the beginning, but it's the most crucial step in this journey. Day two, let's go. Yesterday was about igniting that inner fire. Today we're uncovering the gold mine within you, your skills. You've got talents, passions, and experiences that are valuable, my friend. Don't underestimate yourself. Think about what you're naturally good at, what gets you fired up, what you could spend hours doing without even realizing it. Maybe you're a wordsmith, a coding ninja, a design guru, or a born teacher. Whatever it is, own it. Don't dismiss anything as just a hobby. Your passions can be your path to wealth. That thing you do in your spare time, it could be your ticket to the big leagues. The digital age has leveled the playing field. Whether you're into crafting, cooking, or collecting vintage sneakers, there's a market for it. I guarantee it. Take some time today to really dig deep and assess your skills. Make a list, write it down, get it out of your head and onto paper. Seeing your strengths in black and white will open your eyes to possibilities you never even considered. Once you've got your list, it's time to get real about your passions. What truly excites you? What makes your heart race with excitement? Passion is the fuel that will keep you going when the going gets tough. So choose something you genuinely love. Today's homework. Identify your top 3 skills and your top 3 passions. Write them down, and let's get ready to turn them into serious cash. Day 3. We're turning up the heat. We've talked mindset, we've identified your superpowers. Now it's time to monetize those bad boys. That's right, we're turning your passion into profit, your skills into cold, hard cash. First things first, forget about waiting for permission. You don't need a fancy degree or a corporate job to start making money. The internet has empowered us all to be entrepreneurs, to be our own bosses, to call the shots. Think about it. What problems can you solve with your unique skills? What value can you offer to others? Can you write compelling website copy that converts? Can you design eye-catching graphics that stop scrollers in their tracks? Can you teach others how to master a new language or coding skill? The online world is your oyster. You can freelance your skills on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, create and sell digital products like ebooks and online courses, or offer your expertise as a consultant. The possibilities are endless, and the earning potential is unlimited. Don't be afraid to start small. Every millionaire started somewhere. Take on a few freelance gigs, launch a simple website, or create a basic online course. The key is to take action, to get your foot in the door and start building momentum. Remember, value is key. Don't undervalue your skills or be afraid to charge what you're worth. Focus on delivering exceptional results, over-delivering on your promises, and building a reputation for excellence. Today's action item. Choose one monetization strategy and take the first step. Create a profile on a freelancing platform, outline your digital product, or reach out to potential consulting clients. Let's go! Day 4, and we're not slowing down. We've got the mindset. We've identified those money-making skills, and we're turning them into profit. Now, it's time to build your online empire, to create a digital fortress that screams success. Listen up. In today's world, your online presence is everything. It's your digital storefront, your virtual business card, your 24/7 sales team. A strong online presence builds credibility, attracts opportunities, and positions you as an authority in your field. First things first, you need a professional website. Think of it as your online headquarters. Keep it clean, easy to navigate, and make sure it showcases your skills and services in the best possible light. Social media is your new best friend. Choose platforms where your target audience hangs out and start building a community. Share valuable content, engage with your followers, and position yourself as a thought leader. Content is king, baby. Create blog posts, videos, podcasts, infographics, whatever format you enjoy most. Provide value, share your expertise, and establish yourself as a go-to resource in your niche. Consistency is key. Building a strong online presence takes time and effort. Show up consistently, deliver value on a regular basis, and watch your audience grow organically. Today's challenge: create or update your website and social media profiles. Start brainstorming content ideas and commit to showing up consistently online. Let's go. Day 5, and we're kicking it into high gear. We've got the mindset, the skills, the monetization strategy, and the online presence. Now, it's time to unleash the power of networking. Remember this: your net worth is directly proportional to your network. The people you surround yourself with, the connections you cultivate, they can make or break your success. Get out there and start building relationships. Attend industry events. Join online communities. Reach out to people you admire. Don't be afraid to slide into those DMs, send those cold emails, and make your presence known. Remember, networking is about building genuine connections, not just collecting business cards. Be authentic. Be interested in others, and focus on providing value before asking for anything in return. Collaboration is key. Partner with other entrepreneurs, cross-promote each other's work, and leverage each other's audiences. Two heads are always better than one, and together, you can achieve exponential growth. Don't underestimate the power of mentorship. Find someone who's already achieved what you aspire to and soak up their knowledge. Ask for guidance. Learn from their mistakes, and let their experience accelerate your journey. Today's action item: join an online community related to your field, reach out to one person you admire for advice, and offer your support to a fellow entrepreneur. Let's go. It's time to expand your network, build meaningful connections, and unlock a world of opportunities. Day 6, and we're talking about building a financial fortress. You're killing it, hustling hard, and seeing those income streams flow. But here's the thing: smart entrepreneurs don't rely on just one source of income. We diversify, baby. Think about it. What happens if your main source of income dries up? What if a platform shuts down, a client disappears, or the market takes an unexpected turn? Diversifying your income streams is like having multiple safety nets, ensuring that you're always financially secure. So, how do you diversify like a pro? First, explore different monetization models within your existing business. If you're offering services, consider creating and selling digital products like ebooks or online courses. If you're selling physical products, explore dropshipping or print-on-demand options. Next, look for passive income opportunities. These are income streams that generate revenue with minimal effort on your part, like affiliate marketing, selling stock photos or videos, or creating and selling online courses. Real estate is another fantastic avenue for diversification. Consider investing in rental properties, flipping houses, or exploring crowdfunding opportunities. Today's challenge: brainstorm 3 new income streams you can add to your business. Research different monetization models, explore passive income opportunities, and start building those additional revenue streams. Let's go. It's time to build a financial fortress that can weather any storm and secure your path to billionaire status. You're halfway through your 12-day journey. We've covered massive ground, from mastering your mindset to building multiple income streams. But this is just the beginning. The real work starts now. The daily grind, the relentless hustle, the unwavering commitment to your goals. Subscribe now to continue transforming your financial future. In the next 6 days, we'll dive deeper into scaling your business, mastering your sales and marketing, and building a legacy that lasts. You don't want to miss this.
You guys, we are crushing it. We're halfway through our 12 days to billionaire sprint, and by now you're probably feeling the hustle. Good. Keep that fire burning. Remember, we're not just building businesses here, we're building empires. Over the next 6 days, we're going to double down, refine our strategies, and push even harder. Get ready to scale, automate, and dominate your respective markets. Let's go. Alright, day 7, let's talk optimization. You've put in the work, you've got your product or service out there, and hopefully you're getting feedback. Now what? You listen. Don't be afraid to hear what people are saying, even if it's negative. Criticism is just free market research. Take that feedback and make your offering even better. Remember, we're not aiming for mediocrity here, we're aiming for legendary status. Obsess over quality, obsess over customer satisfaction. Give people what they want, and they'll reward you with their wallets. It's that simple. Day 8, time to hack the system. No, I'm not talking about anything illegal, I'm talking about automation. You've only got so many hours in a day and you can't spend all of them on repetitive tasks. That's where automation comes in. There are tons of tools out there that can help you streamline your business, from email marketing to social media management to customer support. Find what works for you and put those robots to work. Free up your time and mental energy for the big picture stuff, strategy, innovation, and growth. Remember, we're playing chess, not checkers. Day 9, and I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. Successful people never stop learning. The world is changing faster than ever, and if you're not constantly evolving, you're falling behind. So, what are you waiting for? Invest in yourself. Take a course, read a book, attend a conference, listen to a podcast. There's so much knowledge out there, and most of it is just a click away. Become a sponge, soak it all up. The more you learn, the more valuable you become. Chapter 4, Day 10, and it's time to talk about mentorship. Listen, I wouldn't be where I am today without the guidance of mentors who believed in me and pushed me to be better. Having someone who's been there, done that, can make all the difference in your journey. So find someone you admire, someone who's achieved what you want to achieve, and reach out. You'd be surprised how many people are willing to help someone who's hungry and driven. Don't be afraid to ask for guidance, for advice, for connections. Your future self will thank you. Chapter 5. Day 11, we're in the endgame now. You've put in the work, you've optimized, you've automated, you've learned, you've networked. Now it's time to scale. This is where things get really exciting. Think bigger, think bolder. Can you hire a team? Can you expand into new markets? Can you offer new products or services? The sky's the limit. Don't be afraid to dream big and to take calculated risks. Remember, fortune favors the bold. Chapter 6. Day 12, we made it. Take a moment to celebrate how far you've come in just 12 short days. You've put in the work and you're well on your way to building your empire. But this is just the beginning. Now it's time to reflect on what you've learned, to analyze what worked and what didn't, and to set new goals for the future. The journey to success is a marathon, not a sprint. So keep that hustle mentality, keep learning, keep growing, and keep pushing yourself. The world is yours for the taking. Outro, you did it. You crushed the 12 days to billionaire challenge. Remember, this isn't about becoming a billionaire overnight, it's about adopting a billionaire mindset. It's about hustle, it's about providing value, and it's about never giving up on your dreams. Your 12-day transformation is just the beginning. Subscribe, like, and share to inspire others on their journey to success.